divisible by 10. Perez, if the last digit is what? 0. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is what? 0. Example, I'm having 644,005. 644,005. Is this number divisible by 10? Why? The last digit is not what? The last digit is not what? What about this one? Example 2. Example 2. I'm having 1,440. Is this number divisible by 10?
Yes.
Why? The last digit is what? 0. Therefore, that is the digit test.